Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join a Roblox group. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Once you've done that, you want to come across to the left side menu, and there will be a feature called Communities. Note that groups are now renamed to Community, so just access it and you'll be taken across to the groups page. Now, what you can do is browse through the different communities. If there is a particular group you are looking for, you do have a search box at the top. And if you do have a direct link to a group, you can just place that in the address bar at the top. Now, once you've accessed a community of your choice, you're going to see a Join Group button at the top. Simply click on it, and you'll get a confirmation saying successfully joined the group or community. So that's basically how you can join a Roblox group. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.